How to fix McDonald's app won't let me pay. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix if the McDonald's app is not letting you pay. Now, the first thing you want to do is check if there is no issue with your payment method. You also want to make sure that there is enough fund in your payment method to cover your order. Now, if that is not the issue, then the next thing you want to do is simply open up your settings, then scroll down and tap on the option of apps over here. A list of all the applications installed on your device will be shown. You simply want to scroll down and find the one that is McDonald's. Now tap on that, then tap on storage. Now tap on the clear cache option. Once that is done, open the application and check if your problem has been fixed. If it is still not fixed, next thing you want to do is launch open a Play Store or App Store on your device and search for McDonald's. Now, if you find an update button over here, simply tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Doing this will fix any bugs in the app. Now you can simply open the app and check if your problem has been fixed. If it is not fixed, you can directly uninstall the application and then install it again from Play Store or App Store, and then that should fix your problem. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.